Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving into a very important chapter from Class 12 Biology, the male reproductive system. This isn't just textbook stuff. This is the science behind how life begins, literally. So sit back, relax, and let's explore every part, every function, and every fascinating detail, made simple and engaging just for you. Before we zoom into the male reproductive system, let's get the big picture. Humans are sexually reproducing and viviparous. That means we reproduce through the fusion of male and female gametes, and our babies develop inside the mother's body, not in an egg outside. There are several key events in human reproduction. 1. Gametogenesis, forming gametes. That's sperm in males and ovum in females. 2. Insemination, transferring the sperm into the female body. 3. Fertilization, fusion of the sperm and ovum to form a zygote. Then comes implantation of the embryo in the uterus, followed by gestation, the baby's development, and finally parturition or birth. Interesting fact, men can continue producing sperm well into old age, but women stop producing eggs around the age of 50. That's called menopause. Now let's zoom in on the male reproductive system. It's mainly located in the pelvic region and includes a pair of testes, accessory ducts, glands, and the external genitalia, the penis. Let's break that down. The testes are two oval-shaped organs located outside the abdomen in a pouch called the scrotum. But why outside? Because spermatogenesis, the production of sperm, needs a slightly cooler temperature, about 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than the body's normal temperature. That's the scrotum's job, a natural climate control system. Each testis is about 4 to 5 centimeters long and 2 to 3 centimeters wide, covered by a tough outer layer. Inside, they're divided into about 250 compartments called testicular lobules. Each lobule contains 1 to 3 seminiferous tubules, which are long, tightly coiled tubes. Inside the seminiferous tubules, we find two key types of cells: spermatogonia, the germ cells that undergo meiosis to form sperm, and Sertoli cells. Think of them as the nurses of the testis. They nourish and support the developing sperm cells. And in the spaces between the tubules, that's called the interstitial space. It contains Leydig cells. They produce androgens, especially testosterone, the hormone responsible for male features like a deeper voice, facial hair, and muscle growth. Plus, some immune cells to protect the testis. Once sperm is formed, it needs a pathway to exit. That's where the accessory ducts come in, rete testis. The sperm's first stop, then into vasa efferentia, which carry them from the testis. Next comes the epididymis, a long coiled structure on the back of each testis where sperm mature and are stored. Then the sperm travels through the vas deferens, a muscular tube that carries sperm up into the abdominal cavity. Finally, it joins with the duct of the seminal vesicle to form the ejaculatory duct, which empties into the urethra. The urethra is a common duct for both urine and semen, but not at the same time, thanks to muscular control during ejaculation. The penis is the external genital organ that delivers sperm into the female reproductive tract. It contains erectile tissue, which fills with blood during sexual arousal, causing an erection, essential for insemination. The tip of the penis is called the glans penis, and it's covered by a skin fold called the foreskin. The male reproductive system includes 3 key glands that produce fluids essential for sperm health and motility. 1. Seminal vesicles. Add a fluid rich in fructose provides energy to sperm, calcium, and enzymes. 2. Prostate gland adds an alkaline fluid that neutralizes acidity in the female reproductive tract. 3. Bulbourethral glands, also known as Cowper's glands, secrete a clear mucus that lubricates the urethra and neutralizes acidic urine traces. Together, their fluids and sperm form semen, also known as seminal plasma. Here's a real-world angle. Ever wondered why tight underwear or sitting for long hours can affect sperm quality? Because it raises the temperature around the testes, which can lower sperm count, proving how sensitive and precisely engineered this system is. So, let's recap. Testes make the sperm and testosterone. Ducts store and transport the sperm. Glands provide nutrients and protection. Penis helps deliver the sperm. Every organ, every cell has a specific and vital role. That's the beauty of biology. Everything is connected, and everything has a purpose. If you found this explanation helpful and enjoyable, then do your part in supporting this channel. Your one like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. Stay tuned for more such mind-opening explanations only here on Knowledge Chronicle. See you in the next one.